Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video, I want to show you how we can easily record a screen in Snapchat. So let's say that you want to, like in incognito mode, get a video from someone that is going to send you or photo, and you want to record it. So what you want to do, right now I'm using one of those softwares. You want to go like Google Play or Apple Store, whatever you got, and right there, record master. And it doesn't matter what it is, record master. And right now you see many screen recorders that you can use. And also I'm using one right now, so I'm recording everything. So you want to just click on it and just update it and download it and use it. So this is how you record the screen. And then what you want to do is, I will show you, is when you're gonna go here in the recorder, you could have like this button here that you can record, and then you just start. Then you can just start recording. And this is how you can record the screen. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.